to my channel, and it's been very very long. I didn't shoot anything. Basically, I don't have anything to do, and there's nothing so amazing or so out of the world that I'm doing right now. Everyone is home. So one of my cousins who is sitting, like, who does work from home sort of a thing, when she is free, what she does is mandala art. And she always used to push me to do mandala art, and I used to be like, no यार, मेरे को confidence नहीं आता करने को, because that is not something what I am used to. And or I really want to try someday, but not currently, not right now. ऐसा बोल बोल के टलता गया. Then recently I did a fluid art sort of a thing, not sort of a thing, it's the fluid art किया था, fluid painting, and you might have seen it in my Instagram reel. And if you're not following me there, go follow me there. You can see the reel over there. And I really loved the way I did. Like, I had my sister, my niece, who joined me to do the fluid painting. And again, that was a new experience. That was something I wanted to do, but I couldn't do it because it just kept on talta gaya cheez. And finally, when we were sitting home, we were sitting idle, and Chechi came over, and we were sitting idle, and we were like, chalo kuch kar lete hain. So I thought, why not fluid painting, since I was about to do it as a workshop sort of a thing before. But again, lockdown happened, so कुछ कर नहीं पाया था. I was like, okay, we'll do it ऐसे ही घर पे. तो वैसे we did fluid painting. Now currently I am doing mandala art. Day before yesterday, on Sunday, my cousin got me these black pens that she had, and Ananya had around her. So I was like, okay, get me all things. I just have a drawing book with me. I don't have a black pen. I don't have a rounder. That's so sad. और सारा stationery बंद है. So I was like, अब क्या करूँ, अब कैसे करूँ मैं. तो it just kept on कि कल करेंगे, but वो कल कभी आया ही नहीं. Then I was like, अब बस, अब बहुत हो गया, let's do it. So my first mandala art, I'm just doing it. इतना पहुँची हूँ मैं, and it has come out really good. Like, कैमरा में बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है ना, काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ है. I still have a very big radius to complete, but this is till now, and this is a very quick log I'm doing. And I don't know how this is gonna come out, and let's hope for the best. And I thought, why not include you guys as well. Now, since it's been 1.5 hours I'm sitting here, I'm doing this art, and I've only reached till here. I'll tell you another reason, because I got so engrossed in my phone in a while. I was like, यार अब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा. Then I got few motivation, and I was like, नहीं, अब करते, चलो अब करते. So I am looking into Pinterest and seeing few images here and there, and then doing it, and then making my own sort of a design. So yeah, that's how I'm doing my mandala art, and this is the first experience. I have done mandala art quite few years before, when I used to do it on my hand as a mehendi ka thing. I'm very fond of mehendi, so I make mehendi designs, and I have done mandala arts on hand, and many other hands as well. So yeah, mandala art is not new for me, though I'm doing it for the first time on a paper, but I have done it on hand. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Let this come out really beautiful. Till now it's come out really nice. I really like the design. It has come out really nice. Let's see whether it's a flop or not. that I use for doing this mandala art is one that is I use this ball pen. You can use any black ball pen of your choice. You can use gel pen of your choice, but this is what I'm currently using, and it is Fort Pencil Co 5. I guess the number of the nib is. Other than that, I'm using this permanent marker. Then I'm using a regular pencil, a rubber. Then I'm using this stencil that I have available. I'm using one scale. You can use a longer scale if you're doing a long sheet cut drawing. I'm using this because I'm doing this normal mandala art in 9 centimeter का radius. Then obviously you need a rounder. So these are the supplies that I'm using. Even if you have a normal one single pen, black pen, blue pen, whatever you wish, you can use that. You definitely need to have a rounder so that you can mark in the circles and you can use accordingly the designs. And firstly what I do is what I did was I made a whole circle of 9 centimeter का radius because okay, I've come out with this design currently. I still have many to do. I have a lot to do, like 9 centimeter को नहीं अब तक 8 centimeter ऊपर. So you can see this line. I still have a lot to do. So yeah, so that, and so I have used 9 centimeter radius for as a circle. You can get many different shapes and other category designs in Instagram and Pinterest, or even if you search in Google. The best is, I can say, is Instagram or Pinterest. Pinterest is the best. You can look out for designs. I have saved many in my Instagram account, so that is the way I can I can see many other designs as well, wherein people are using it on as an eye ka thing and everything. Many pretty designs, guys. Like if you think कि यार ये तो जिसको आता है आर्ट से कोई लेना देना है सिर्फ उन्हीं से होएगा, या फिर जिसका हाथ बैठता है ड्राइंग करने में ये सिर्फ उन्हीं के बस का बात है. ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसा नहीं है. इवन इफ आई डू क्वाइट अ बेटर ड्राइंग सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, मेरे बस का नहीं था ये. आई जस्ट डिड अ रैंडम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. इवन यू कैन जस्ट सी हाउ पीपल आर डूइंग इट. एक बार देख लो वो लोग कैसे कैसे सेंटीमीटर्स उठा रहे, डायमीटर्स उठा रहे, कैसा वो लाइंस बन रहे हैं. और बस ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ टेक दैट लाइन नॉबल्स, एंड इवन इफ यू डू अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, इट्स ओके. अगर आपको नहीं आता आप छोटा सा कर लो, छोटा सा कर लो. वेट, it's the matter of time you have. You get out of your comfort zone and then you do it. It's all about that. Like, you're not sitting idle, or you don't have anything to do in this lockdown. Like, work from home तो है, work from home के बाद स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, क्या करना है कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बस do something like this. Trust me, आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा ज़्यादा. यू आर टोटली फोकस मिल रहा है आपको कुछ ना कुछ करने में. you're coming out of your comfort zone and you're doing this, so that is all that matters. अभी मैंने भी मुझे भी डिज़ाइन समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. मैंने बहुत सारे डिज़ाइन दिखाए, लाइक यार वो फिट नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कैसे करूँ. What I took this stencil, I made these circles. See, I made these circles, I made the designs like this. Sort, ख़त्म, और कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ भी पड़ा रहेगा आपके पास नॉर्मल ऐसा डब का डब्बा पड़ा हुआ है, या फिर ऐसा रैंडम चीज़ें पड़े हुए हैं, यूज़ करो उनके काम. आप कोशिश तो कीजिए. आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा, है ना. अभी मैंने जैसे कोशिश किया, लाइक जो होगा देखा जाएगा टाइप्स, एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट. बट in the camera itself you can see how beautiful. Like, I will definitely put the last image, like कैसा बनकर आया है, क्या बना है. Even if बहुत ज़्यादा mistakes हुए हैं, ignore the mistakes, guys. Trust me. This is how it is looking right now, and I love the way it is looking. Like, मेरा आँख हट ही नहीं रहा है उसमें से. Especially कैमरा पे इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है ना, मैं क्या बताऊँ. Like, come out of your comfort zone and do something. That's all you need. आज की, and I will be putting up the image once I have done, and hope you have a great day. लेकिन all we can do is staying home and praying for them, praying for the people out there, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. अच्छा खाइए, अपना दिमाग फोकस रखिए, कुछ ना कुछ नया करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Be happy, stay happy. That's all we need, right? All right then. तो छोटा सा व्लॉग यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है.